Cue the puns. Bishop e2, really? Is my opponent playing more? Oh, now g4. I was wondering if I'm not playing Schrodinger's cat, rather playing Schrodinger's... Yeah, you know. Board sounds, didn't we have them for the first tournament? Yeah, I know you all get the joke. Don't worry. Let me take, no? Sack the exchange. Ah, we got a... we got it at another mod. Chad is going for another shadow ban. Yeah. I think shadow ban is plus streamer rating. Now if he goes like queen d3, I can maybe take this pawn. No. It's just going for an attack on the other side, yeah? Okay, let's go knight b6 to have knight d7. Chat, can we spam Gareth Bale playing chess? So I actually showed up with this hairdo, if you can call it that, with my friends. We're all playing football yesterday, and the Gareth Bale comparison did come up, so I will definitely allow that. Bishop f4, yeah, my compensation has not really taken off here, but that's fine. I'll be golfing later. That's a good one. For me, it's streaming, golf, chess, in that order. My dark square bishop is bad. Nah, for the moment maybe, but it will be pretty strong. Bullying David? No, I'm not bullying David. You guys are bullying David. Shame on you. What is this queen c4 move? So I'll take. Not convinced about my position at all. Check. I think I probably want to keep one rook. King e7 next. It's queen c8. Let's go king e7 now. Don't think he has anything there. Oh, queen f2 has got queen b4. Okay, let's be solid then. Can go queen b5, force the queens off, but I like pawns. I'll grab one of them. To be a bit careful though. Maybe more than a bit careful. I was thinking I'll go rook d7, but then rook d3 is really unpleasant. Okay, we'll go b6 then. Queen a4, I'm not so sure about. How about queen e2? Can go rook d3. Okay, let's try and get the queens off. Endgame is not too clear, but yeah, it's not clear at all. You can go d5, but then he gets a lot of pass pawns. Or counterplay rather. This position is still pretty unclear. I'm not so sure about this one. It's not what pawn is running. Let's c5 now. It's pretty clever. Around here, support the pawns with my king, and now I should be pretty cleanly winning.